Yo, what's poppin', fireworks fam? It's your boy Doug, CEO and founder of Red Apple Fireworks. And I'm here to light up your screens with the most epic display of aerial artistry you've ever seen. Get ready! Here come the top finale set fireworks of 2024. From Red Apple Fireworks, of course. But first, finale sets are another Red Apple Fireworks first, original, and exclusive. And each finale set is essentially a custom designed, pre-curated show in a box. Similar effects and complementary colors. Complementary performances. Similar break heights. Similar performance intensities. The same or similar performance durations. You can shoot them sequentially or simultaneously, all at once, sky puke. Or any other way you can think of to shoot them. This way, you can control the timing and rhythm of your show effortlessly. You literally can't mess this up. By the way, if you're looking for the safest and easiest way to light your fireworks this 4th of July, the answer is Radbox. Connect up to 15 fireworks to Radbox. Then light them off with a tap from your Android or iPhone from up to 300 feet away. Radbox is exclusive to Red Apple Fireworks, so check it out on our website at redapple.fireworks.com. Let's dive into the sky-high action with these banger finale sets. Let's go! Yo, we're kicking it off presidential style with Dead Presidents. This 4-piece, 196-shot beast is all about that freedom flare. With rapid-fire bursts that scream liberty, brand new at Red Apple for 2024. Check this out. Next, get the party started with the Celebrations 48-shot large finale set. Colorful, exciting, and perfect for any fireworks festivities. Check it. Step right up to the Platinum Circus. With 64 shots of show-stopping spectacles. This set is the grand finale to end all finales. Check out these lower level mines and bouquets up to huge breaks. Next up, Tokyo Rose is bringing that exotic vibe straight from Japan. Each cake has 48 shots for a total of 192 shots across this 4-piece finale set. It'll bloom in the sky like the most vibrant garden you've ever laid eyes on. Salute the brave with thank you for your service. This 3-piece 72-shot tribute is our salute to our American heroes. Show your pride and let freedom ring. Quick reminder, guys, if you are thinking about ordering some Red Apple finale sets or any other Red Apple brand fireworks, we are ready to ship them right to your doorstep or any of our 800 fireworks pickup spots across the USA, baby. But do it ASAP because the 4th of July is somehow right around the corner. Keep those necks craned because Night Blossom is up. This 4-piece, 176-shot spectacle is a nocturnal festival of color that'll make the stars jealous. Trust me, you don't want to miss this floral fantasy. Brand new at Red Apple for 2024. Check it out. All right, it's time to feel the power with jet fuel. Uniquely large tube caliber on these standard size cakes means that jet fuel is fast, fiery, and ready to fly, and will rocket your senses to new heights. Shift gears and get ready for night drive. These 4 36-shot cakes feature a total of 144 shots. Built in collaboration with our friends over at Brothers Pyrotechnics. These classic Brothers style cakes are fast, furious, and absolutely mesmerizing. Buckle up! Escape to fireworks paradise with Tropix. With 76 shots across 4 cakes of tropical bliss. This set brings the island vibes right to your backyard. Now, if you're looking to turn up the heat, litAF is where it's at. It's got 135 shot of rapid fire fan-shaped volleys across these 3 cakes. This set is absolutely massive and guaranteed to get your party lit AF. Peep this. Real quick guys, you can save up to 25% across the entire Red Apple Fireworks catalog and get up to an additional 5% cash back by joining Club Red Apple, our new membership program. Club Red Apple has a ton of explosive benefits, and it's the best way to shop Red Apple Fireworks. Just visit redapplefireworks.com/club to join today. Oh, and if you hit up our amazing customer service team via chat on our website, they'll hook you up with a sweet discount towards your Club Red Apple membership plan. Next up, ride the wave with Pulse Wave. This 4-piece 112-shot finale set is pulsing with energy, featuring a fan-shaped firing pattern, which is super unique for this small-sized cake. Check it. Ante up with Poker. This surprisingly boomy 4-piece 64-shot game changer is dealing out a winning hand of colors and crackles. Bet on this set for a jackpot of jaw-dropping booms. Next, it's time to level up your fireworks game with power-ups. These 4 cakes and 80 shots are your cheat code to an epic finale. It's easy mode as you unlock a universe of vibrant visuals with this rapid fire showpiece. Unleash the feline fury with Cattack. This 2-piece set features a unique 60-shot firing pattern with a rapid fire rhythm of Cattitude. Cattitude, really? Perfect for those who love a little whimsy with their wow. Four queens absolutely reign over the night, with 4 cakes featuring 64 shots of royal radiance. This set is all about majesty and might. Alright Pyro peeps, that is going to do it for my list of the top finale set fireworks from Red Apple for 2024. Remember, when you want your skies extra sparkly and your parties poppin', hit up Red Apple Fireworks. Peace.